Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Google account and the class code from your teacher. Once done, open Classroom. Google.com or launch the Classroom app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. Switching accounts is common. Then, look for the plus icon or Join Class button in the top right. Click it to begin entering the class code. This step puts you directly into the Join flow so you don't waste time navigating menus. You'll now type the class code your teacher gave you into the prompt. Accuracy matters, so double-check characters before submitting. After you enter the code, Classroom shows the class name and teacher. Pause to verify it matches what you expect. Then select Join to send your request or directly enter the class if open. Wait for the confirmation screen and any welcome message. If you're joining multiple classes, repeat these steps for each code to keep things organized. Once inside, explore the stream for announcements and classwork for assignments so you know what's due. Make sure notifications are enabled if you want alerts. If the code is rejected, confirm you used the correct Google account or contact the teacher to reissue the code. Sometimes domains are restricted. If pages won't load, sign out and back in or clear your browser cache and retry. These quick fixes resolve most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.